In this video, we're going to build this e-commerce store. And we're going to do it all using Sell the Trend shops. Okay, let's get started. First, let's choose our shop name. We can add a custom domain name later. Let's go to shop settings. And let's add our logo and banner. I made these in Canva, but you can use any free tool you want. Next, we add a payment processor, so we can start collecting payments. Now you can set up your store a bit more if you like adding a custom domain, but I'm going to move on for now. Now the best part, adding products. Install our Chrome extension if you don't have it already. Now head to aliexpress.com and let's search something in beauty. Let's add this product by clicking on the Sell the Trend logo. We got the product on our import list. Let's add it to our shop. This is our push to store page, and here we can customize everything like pricing, description, and images. For now, let's just send this product to our store the way it is. Now let's add a winning product from our Nexus database. This is part of our build plan. I'm going to filter by the beauty niche and get lots of trending beauty products. Let's click on product research for this one. It's getting a lot of sales, definitely adding this one. Same process here. Now we have our two products. Let's add some real customer reviews. This is important to provide social proof for your store visitors. It's just a single click to add the reviews. Now we can always edit the product anytime we want, so let's do that now. This is our visual product editor. Let's quickly change the title. And let's publish the changes in view. And here it is. Our Sell the Trend shop is live. Not only does it look great, but it was super easy to put together.